guys, today I'm going to help you with the market variable testing in Smart-PLS. So going straight, let's go the market variable in Smart-PLS, how to test it. First, how to check CMV in Smart-PLS using market variable. A market variable is what? A market variable is theoretically unrelated construct to the variables and framework under the study. So here in our study we have chosen blue attitude, that is a market variable, and because it is not related to GHRM or dependent or independent construct. So there are several papers that may help you choosing a market variable, and data for the market variable should be collected while conducting the survey. Now we know that market variable is a third variable which is not related to your model theoretically. Therefore we are taking this, and it may absorb some of the variance or covariance within the model. Okay. And how many items should we have for the market variable? Researchers suggest that there should be minimum of 4 items and should be placed in end of the survey to reduce the fatigue of the respondents. It may remove 70% of the common method variance. So here in this picture we have taken from the paper. I'll show you the paper later on, and the link as well. Well, it's taking a little bit time to open. Okay, recently wait. There's a paper of the chin, and you can study this. This is quite amazing. I have it in Mandley, controlling for common method variance in Smart-PLS. Okay, so it suggests that at least you should have 4 items in order to reduce the 72% of the variance. Now what we do, our model is simple, like GSC, green HRM, green K2T, GTL, and this is moderator. Okay. So what we have done is that we have checked the results without marker variable. For example, if I have this model and these results are without marker variable. In the next phase, what have I done? I have done is to drag this marker variable here and rename it marker variable 1, and then OK, and what you have to do, hide it and connect it, hide and then connect it. Connect with the dependent and exogenous construct, right? Okay. Yes, so similarly we have like dragged the same marker variable, this one here, we renamed them and we are hiding the indicators just. Okay, now what we have to do is to connect with the independent and independent variables, like, and then we have to run analysis. Okay, for example, start calculations, and you will see that before marker variable and after marker variable, and then we have to compare the results. So for example, if I take the marker variable without results, the relationship is 0.305 of the GTL, 0.739 of the GHRM on GSC, GHRM on GSC is 0.289, and GSC and GC is 0.547. So when I included the market variable and ran the analysis, then the relationship was like slightly changed, 0.303 for example, and then it's 0.305. So it has been reduced 0.303, 0.02 percentage. No, 0.002%, like 2 is a regression rate that has been reduced or adjusted due to the marker variable, for example, and then 0.737, it was 0.739 and then 0.737. Similarly, if we see that it was 0.547 and now it's 0.544, so 0.3 something, 0.03, it has been adjusted, right? Okay. Now you have to check that whether these marker variables are significant or not. So for that you have to do the bootstrapping with 5000 bootstrapping, two-tail method, bias corrected and accelerated. Do it as however it's gonna take a little bit time, so kindly wait for it. Now I have run the bootstrapping for understanding the p value significance, and you see that M1, M2, M3, M4 all are significant. You can also see from the model that they are insignificant because t value is less than 1.95 or 7 something. Okay, so we see that number one, these marker variables are insignificant, having insignificant relationship, and second, they just reduce 0.02 something impact of the common method variance on our dependent and independent variables. So this is an approach, and then you can analyze the marker variable, and it's a construct level correction. So how you correct at the construct level. This is how you can learn the marker variable and perform the marker variable analysis, and then present the tables with the adjusted values. Okay, thank you, bye bye.